Hey guys, Ryan here with MotoSport.com. We're out here, 2026 Bike Week Daytona. We got a bunch of stuff on display. Brands like Yoshimura, Shoei helmets, Arrow, Carson Brown's bike out here. All of our new 2026 Ryder Co colors are on the way. Getting ready to drop in about a week. A lot of people, a lot of different bikes, street, V-twin, cruiser, dirt bike enthusiasts. We got Supercross coming up tomorrow. A little bit of everything out here at Bike Week.
My favorite thing about Daytona Bike Week has to be the demo rides. Come out and ride everybody else's toys without having to pay for it first.
Well, my favorite part about Daytona Bike Week is getting to see all the bikes and everything.
It's my first time here, so I love this show. It's very beautiful.
My favorite part of Daytona Bike Week is Supercross.
Say, coming with my son, we've been trying to get here for 10 years and we finally made a great show.
Mostly the racing.
What about the racing?
I just like how they jump it. It teaches me how to ride on my track that I have in my home. And it teaches me a lot of stuff.
Thanks, bro.
My favorite part of Daytona Supercross is being able to walk the track and being so close to it.
I'm going to have to say my favorite part about Daytona Supercross is definitely being so up close and personal and all the action. I mean, no other track you can be able to do that, so that's going to be it.